like a bird's back longing for the moon. Small wings spread wide, reaching for the light that soars high. In the unreachable sky, longing scattered in shadows, the far and untouchable love still resides. Like a bird's back longing for the moon. In the dark light of home, glimmering from afar, adorning dreams in every night. Among the shining stars lies hope and prayer. The distance separates us, love remains, it will never fade. In the unreachable sky, longing scattered in shadows, the far and untouchable love still resides. Like a bird's back longing for the moon. In the dark light of home, glimmering from afar, adorning dreams in every night. The night wind, there are whispers of silent love, like shadows dancing, filling the space of a lonely heart. Like a bird's back, longing for the moon in the dark light of hope, glimmering from afar, adorning dreams in every night. Like a bird's back longing, I will always be waiting under the full moon's light, hoping for the same love.